Hey everyone, Mr. Slowton himself here. Got a special car for you guys to look at today here. Uh, Man, it is a beautiful car and hope you enjoy it. Alright, everybody knows that I am a sucker for classic cars, and like you guys seen in the past videos, my dad, he has a 69 Ford Galaxy. My brother, he has a 69 Barracuda. My other brother, to me it's still a classic, but anyway, he has a 78 Mustang Cobra. But anyway, I'm a sucker for classics. I'm actually looking for a classic to build and just something just kind of cruise around in, pretty respectably, quick little street car. Some just take the family in, cruise around at night, but that's what my plans are. But anyway, I got this car right here in the shop, and yeah, just a sucker for it. Alright, well, this car, it's a 1964 Ford Galaxy 500 XL. It has 35,400 some miles on it. It's been restored and everything else, and it has some aftermarket parts. It has the period correctness on how it looks, but otherwise, it's a beautiful car. Hopefully you enjoy it. Alright, which you can tell, shabam. Has aftermarket headers. Hey, this thing has full length headers. The 2 4-barrels. This car is, yeah, man. Alright, well, this 1964 Ford Galaxy 500 XL. It has the old school Cracker wheels on it. Like I said, it's period correct. You would see an old classic rolling on a set of Crackers. The paint's beautiful on it. Oh, man. Oh, that door's locked. But it's in here actually. You can see all the water spots on it. I have to get it all cleaned up and everything else. But it has the teardrop scoop on it like the old Thunderbolt. This car still, it still packs the 390, but check, if you get back here and look, Look at that. There is barely any dings, any blemishes. This is hell, the body lines, besides the hood, because the hood is a aftermarket hood, but I mean, it's still not bad, really, honestly. This one here, it's almost with line with it. This one, the only thing it needs, honestly, I've had to do this in the past, to where you just run a longer bolt, and then you put a little bit of washers back up in it to actually get the body line to come back. But the interior in this thing is immaculate. Oh, and you are seeing this right, there's 3 pedals: gas, brake, and clutch. This is a 4-speed car. Everything has been updated in this, all the gauges. I mean, this is a nice restored piece. Open up the trunk for you guys. You can hide like 20 dead bodies in this. I mean, that's, yeah, just awesome. Just an awesome, cool car. hopefully enjoyed this video. Any car guy would enjoy a car like that. So anyway, I'm gonna end up cutting it short. I am home now, so but yeah, well, I ain't gonna cut it short. Yeah, it started snowing about 4 o'clock this afternoon, and it's been snowing off and on. It is 5:25 now, so but yeah, been over an hour of snowing off and on. It looks like it quit right now for a while, but we got our first snowfall of the year, so hopefully everybody had a great day. Mine wasn't too bad, so but I'm gonna end up jumping off here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so when I do upload a new video you'll get notified. Like and share, I really do appreciate it. Everyone that shares the videos, likes it. I do have a Facebook account, Slow 10 Garage. Stop over there, hit that like button. But you guys have a good day. I'm out.